Top U.S. infectious disease official Dr. Anthony Fauci said the U.S. will likely not need the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine as the country already has adequate supply of other shots, in what could be the latest blow for the British-Swedish pharmaceutical company that has seen its prototype vaccine embroiled in a testing and safety controversy. Speaking to BBC Radio 4 on Tuesday, Dr. Fauci said it was unclear if the U.S. would ever use the AstraZeneca shot, but as things stand right now we will not need it. Dr. Fauci was quick to note that this was not a negative indictment of the AstraZeneca shot, which he thinks is a good vaccine from an efficacy standpoint if its safety issues get straightened out. The way the United States has made contractual relationships with a number of companies, we clearly have enough vaccine, or we'll get enough vaccine. That does not include AstraZeneca, which would be enough quantitatively to vaccinate everybody in the United States. Dr. Fauci told BBC Radio 4. AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine has not yet been rolled out in the U.S. as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has only authorized the use of vaccines developed by Pfizer, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson. AstraZeneca's attempts to gain approval in the U.S. have stumbled several times due to missteps by the company, including the release of botched global trial results last year. Last month, AstraZeneca finally released the results of its large-scale Phase 3 U.S. trials, claiming 79% effectiveness in preventing symptomatic COVID-19. However, the company found itself in the middle of another controversy just a day later as the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases put out a release expressing concern about the use of outdated data in the final results of the trial. AstraZeneca then revised its numbers, which showed its vaccine was slightly less effective at 76% efficacy. The rollout of the vaccine internationally has been partially suspended following reports of rare blood clots developing in a handful of patients that have resulted in some fatalities. Several countries have restricted people aged under 50 from receiving the AstraZeneca vaccine who appear to be at most risk from the blood clots. 30 million. That's the total number of shots AstraZeneca was planning to have ready in the U.S. at the beginning of April. It's unclear if the company has managed to meet that target. Last month the U.S. agreed to send 4 million doses of the shots to its neighbors Mexico and Canada, both of whom have approved the shot's use.